I've been getting tons of questions about the screen jitter issue on the Redmi K20 Pro, and I'm just gonna do a really simple illustration about what this problem is. Hey guys, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use. Before we can get into this explanation of the Redmi K20 Pro touch jitter issue, I want to go ahead and thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. Without your support, couldn't keep the channel going. Check out my website, link in the description, for more written content. Okay, let's just dive into this. The touch screen of the device is made up of two parts. It's made up of a screen, which is the actual device that is displaying the content, and then the digitizer, which is the piece that is registering the touches on the glass, okay? And those touches are coming in the form of a frequency or of a signal. Now, this signal is being interpreted by the CPU, by the drivers, by the actual device. Before we start talking more about the signal, okay, I want to talk about the digitizer. So when Xiaomi buys digitizers from a manufacturer, those digitizers will have a range of some sort, or a range of operation that part can function at, right? And for the purposes of this, let's just say that the range is from 0 to 10. That is the operational range. But the digitizer will have a optimum range, right? Which let's say is from 3 to 7. It will operate from 0 to 10, but it will operate at its best at a level from 3 to 7. That is the optimized or optimum, I should say, range for it to operate at. Because of the construction, because of the assembly and the way that the K20 Pro is designed, here in the signal, we're getting noise. Now I want you to imagine the blue lines are the signal, black lines are the noise. The coding on the device needs to try to interpret what is actual input signal, being blue, and what is noise. Noise can be caused from a variety of things. It can be caused from poor grounding of it. It can be caused from a weak signal that then needs to be artificially amplified, which would in turn amplify the noise that we're getting. But a lot of it has to do with the grounding of it, which is why when we plug in the Redmi K20 Pro or when we touch the metal sides, these issues seem to subside. That means that it's cutting down on the noise so that the signal is clear. Now what Xiaomi can do and what they're trying to do is they're trying to somehow tune a part of this assembly, okay, so that it's able to filter out more of the noise and get a cleaner signal. Now from the factory, Xiaomi probably set the digitizer or set this at whatever the manufacturer said was the optimum range, right? So it was probably set from 3 to 7, and we're just using this as an arbitrary set of numbers. Now after it's been optimized, Xiaomi said, well, if we change this value to this and to this, now we're operating between the range of 6 to 10, okay, we are going to be able to filter out some of that noise, and we're going to have better touchscreen accuracy. And that's true. They can totally get better touchscreen accuracy. But then what is happening is some part along here that's creating the noise, okay, they're not actually fixing the noise. They're just operating it at a different frequency or operating it at a different signal strength, and it's not going to be the optimum, okay, settings for the device. They can optimize the screen response issue to make it better, but it's going to suffer and it's going to hurt the device performance in other ways because it's not at the optimum level. So can this be fixed with software? Yes. Can the fixes potentially either introduce other problems, or can these fixes somehow give us poor performance in other areas? Yes. People are reporting on the K20 Telegram group, and I myself have experienced this, that after these optimizations in the form of software, touch responsiveness on the screen is laggy, and the touch responsiveness on the screen isn't as effortless, right? And that's because they are having to change something in this formula, and it's making the screen less sensitive so that the touch jitter issue goes away. Unless Xiaomi implements a hardware fix, we are not going to see this problem get totally solved. It seems like this is a grounding or an electrical connectivity issue, and other people with other devices have noticed it, but on the K20 Pro, the community is very, very vocal. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that brief explanation of this touch jitter issue on the Redmi K20 Pro. Thumbs up if you like the video. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to go ahead and see other videos about the K20 Pro, check out the videos right here. If you want to see videos about the Mi 9, check out right here. Till next time, it's been Mitchell. Peace.